I could eat, right?
You can eat.
Yeah, let's eat. We're gonna go to Columbia Harbour House. Especially on busy days, you wanna go when it's like a different time. Like most people will go at noon when they normally eat, but if you go at 11, you're gonna avoid the crowds and you'll be able to get right in and get your meal. Right across from the Haunted Mansion, which is here to my left, you will find the Columbia Harbour House. And the Columbia Harbour House is a restaurant that serves chicken fingers and fries, of course, but it also has some seafood options like fish and chips, as well as fried shrimp. And it also has sourdough bread bowl clam chowder, which is not always here. I'm hoping it's here today. Because of the circumstances of why I'm here today, I actually have these vouchers that I'm going to be using to get my meal today, so I have to order it with a human instead of doing mobile order. But if you want to see, here is your screens with all your options up top. You do have your mobile order pickup over here. And remember, in quick service restaurants, you can always request ice water. Got my meal. So my voucher, because I'm here with my band, my voucher gets me a entree and a dessert and a drink. I did add hush puppies. This is the trio platter. It's got chicken fingers, battered fish, and hush puppies. And I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite little treats that they have here. I've never had this Boston cream pie dessert, so I'll let you know how that is. And of course, I ordered ice water. I asked for one, she gave me 3. As you can see, they're very generous with the ice water. They want you to be hydrated. Make sure you do that. Also, these hush puppies are some of my favorite little snacks in the park. You get a lot of food here at Columbia Harbour House. Finished everything. Well, tried everything. I'll get to that in a second. I really like the way the fish is cooked. The white fish is nice and flaky, and the breading that they put on it, the beer batter is really good. Their chicken tenders are way less dry here at Columbia Harbour House. That's just why I like Columbia Harbour House over other places that serve the chicken tenders and fries. It also had some really good shrimp. Mine were a little bit overcooked, but I actually kind of liked it that way. It was a little bit more crunchy and a little bit more tasty. Of course, hush puppies, one of my favorite things that you can get here at Columbia Harbour House. Just slightly sweet cornbread flavor, especially on the outside, and then the inside, as my friend John Paul, who's sitting here with me, said, the sweetness goes all the way through, and you get flavor all the way through the hush puppy. And sometimes you can get hush puppies that are only sweet on the outside and then nothing on the inside, and these are definitely not that. And the last thing I'm going to talk about is this, the Boston cream pie. As you can see, it's not finished. It's way too sweet for me. Heavy kick of chocolate off the little rosette on the top, and the frosting, and then you have the Boston cream with the cake batter. I got to a point when I was eating it, I was just like, this is actually like so sweet, it kind of makes my teeth hurt. Yeah, so I'm going to pass on the Boston cream pie, but for value of meal, Columbia Harbour House is actually a really great place to eat at. It does a great job of having a large meal, options for everybody, and not breaking the bank. So also today, it's a very busy day. So Michelle and I and our friend John Paul actually got up here, and we're up in the upper floor so that we can actually have less people. Most people don't know this floor exists, so they don't come upstairs, they stay downstairs. And so we came up here, and there's way less people, it's way less crowded, way less noisy, everything's just less. So we recommend that. Hope you've liked this quick review of Columbia Harbour House. Please make sure you hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button, and subscribe if you're new. And remember, we don't like to say goodbye because we are going to see you real soon. So we're going to say, see you bye.